In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page in Confluence. Maybe you removed a page by mistake, or you realized later that you still need the information that was on it. The good news is that, as long as it hasn't been permanently removed, you can usually bring it back using the Spaces trash feature. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there, step by step, so you can confidently restore your content. First, go to the Confluence space where the page was originally located. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the space name at the top of the sidebar. Look for the three dots, or the More Actions menu right beside the space name. This is where a lot of space level options live. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From that menu, choose Space Settings. This takes you out of the regular page view and into the configuration area for that particular space. You'll need to have the right permissions to see these options, so if you don't see space settings, you may need to ask a space admin for help. Once the space settings page loads, you'll notice several sections or tabs that control different aspects of the space. Next, look for the section labeled Content. This is where Confluence groups tools related to the pages and attachments that belong to the space. Go ahead and click on Content. This doesn't restore anything yet, but it brings you to an overview where you can manage what's stored in the space, including items that have been deleted. Within the content area, find and click on Trash. The trash is essentially a holding area for deleted pages and sometimes other content, depending on your Confluence configuration. When you open it, you'll see a list of pages that have been removed from this space. From here, you can locate the page you want to bring back and use the Restore option that appears next to it. Restoring will move the page back into the space, usually to its original location in the page tree, or to a default location if that spot no longer exists. And that's all you need to do. By opening the space menu, going into space settings, navigating to content, and then trash, you can quickly find and restore deleted pages in Confluence before they're permanently removed.